programs are designed to equip you with all the necessary knowledge and tools to excel in this industry.
For the convenience of students, all tools are included in the tuition and get hands-on training with experienced instructors in the pipe welding industry who are X-ray qualified. For those that didn't know, Elite Welding Academy has 3 locations. That's Cincinnati, Ohio, South Point, Ohio, and Houston, Texas.
Here at Elite, we are approved to offer benefits to qualified veterans and their dependents, and we also have financial aid options available for all who qualify. Our program is 1,000 hours and you can get it done in as little as 6 months. Visit us at EliteWeldingAcademy.com or give us a call at 888-272-3809.